Hey guys, I got a video for you. Actually, I got two today. One of them is going to be on Measure Quick, and the one I have for you that I'm going to post is actually mostly a tune-up, but I'm posting it because I'm showing how you can help generate more income in what I think is a moral way. When technicians are sent out, say, to do PMs, and part of their job is to generate leads, to me that's not acceptable. The customers don't appreciate it, and in the long run I think it just hurts the bottom line. But in this one I had some recommendations to help prevent damage and to help prevent a call in the middle of the night. So that video is coming. It was originally placed because she said she was sneezing a lot. So I'm not sure I took care of that, but I think you'll see what I found. And I got the other video on Measure Quick coming later on today. Stay tuned. Just swapped it to emergency heat. There we go. Just on the blower. This is what I found in the return. That looks like 5/4/2021. This is February 15th, 2022. After some troubles I had yesterday, I think I'm going to try the Measure Quick app. I may have to learn how to do this. But I kind of perused through it last night and I saw that it has, you know, settings for heat and cool on the heat pump, where the field piece app does not. no good way to get on this liquid line. Go to measure quick, and Verizon had a total meltdown yesterday, and half the day I couldn't do anything. Alright, I'm already seeing my pressures. It looks like we're set for heating mode and heat pumps. R410. I don't know why. Do I have the wrong one hooked up? Alright. For some reason it looks like I may not be reading this. Let's see if I can get my liquid line. That 308 is normal. Alright, now I'm getting a subcooling. So I've got these I've got those mixed up some kind of way, so I'm gonna have to reset those. Let's check amp draw real quick before we satisfy the thermostat. We got 10 amps. I'm gonna go over here and check power factor real quick. Alright, on my power factor I got 0.95. You want something near 1. To be 1 is ideal. Alright, now I'm gonna stop and check that capacitor. First, let's see what it's supposed to be. I can't tell from that right there. $45.5. There's a certain tool that I was using. Forgive me, I got a problem with my throat. Actually, it's almost constantly, but if you hear me clear my throat, it's because just something I have to deal with. All right, that's supposed to be a 45.5. Let's check the first one. 43.8. $4.8. I'm gonna have to see what this one is rated for. That 43.8. plus or minus 5%. All right. 45. So yeah, it's still within range. What in the world? Yep, we just satisfied the thermostat. Man, I'm constantly having to do that. Alright, before I put power back on, I'm gonna check inside this cabinet. Man, why they make it so? Sometimes it can be hard to put those panels back on, get them to line up. that's hard to reach. I think it just went through defrost. Alright, so I don't have to test defrost on it. Let's go back inside. I did not find anything wrong outside. I cleaned it up. I'm probably going to make a couple of suggestions for you. I would like to install something that would help prevent water damage. There's a safety device we can put right here. It's like a little float switch. And that can, if the drain backs up, that way it won't cause any water damage right here. And up here, the wire connections are made with wire nuts. And that's just basically a twist-on connection. And that draws a lot of amps. Those can get hot. And what we can do is replace those with what's called a split bolt. And you're able to tighten it down real tight. So I'm gonna give you an estimate for putting a float switch right here and putting split bolts up there to prevent problems, okay? Okay. Because the float switch will help prevent water damage, and the split bolts will help prevent those wire nuts from burning. All right, so you see, I wasn't recommending anything she didn't need. I'm not trying to make a fortune off of every single customer. I'm just recommending things that I see that can prevent problems, and customers appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all on the next one.